Hi, this is Tobias, and I made up a story to prepare for my upcoming Eevee workshop. It's about a pilot. She's flying a ship through the canyons in order to hide from the sun, heading towards the base where her robot drones can take care of the ship. Obviously the story needs some kind of improvement, but for now let's go into the technical details. I used a lot of volumetric shaders and lighting to get a very nice atmosphere. I baked the glossy light using reflection probes. You see one on the right and another one is showing up in the middle of the image. I also baked the diffuse light using Irradiance volumes, and these are the white and yellow spheres here, and they absorb the light of the scene and then emit the light to generate very nice indirect lighting. And if you switch off all the baked light, then you get a lot of black areas in your image. In the next scene there are some grass and rocks and a very blurry background by using the depth of field. And as we are now approaching the ship, you can enjoy the visuals Eevee is producing. This is not a render output, right? This is the real-time viewport. It's so beautiful and it's amazing what Eevee is doing. And you can see the rocket trails and also the canyon as reflections on the water by using the screen space reflections. In the last scene I played around with the shutter value of the motion blur, and from step to step I increase the value, and you see the background gets more and more blurred, but also the foreground, the ship itself. You can handle this by using a second render pass. If you liked it and if you want to learn more about Blender Eevee, then maybe you are interested in the upcoming Blender 2.8 Summer School. Thank you very much. Bye bye.